Hello friends, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. So today let's add one more dish to the Farali menu. Let's make Sabudana Vadas. These are also as popular as Sabudana Khichdi and are preferred by many people during the fasting days. You can serve these with peanut chutney, which is made in many variations. Some add coconut to it, sometimes you can make it without the addition of coconut also. I have posted one chutney recipe, you can check it out. I'll be sharing the link. So let's make this Farali version of Sabudana Vadas. Just like Sabudana Khichdi, these also when you are making on the other days, you can make them nice and spicy with all the chillies, coriander greens, whatever you want you can add to them. But now Farali version is very simple. Just few ingredients go into them. Let's get started. Here I have taken soaked sabudana. I have taken 1 cup of sabudana, soaked them with sufficient water to cover them and leave for a few hours. They become nice and fluffy like this. They should be grainy but not mushy. And I have taken small potatoes, 4 of them, and boiled them. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of crushed black pepper, as we eat only black pepper during the fasting days, and salt, rock salt as needed, half teaspoon of mango powder or Amchoor powder. You can use lemon juice also instead. And here I have taken 2 tablespoons of barnyard millet flour, oil to fry. You can check out the ingredients list in the description box also. Peel and mash the potatoes first. Take a wider platter or a dish. Crush them coarsely, do not mash them too much. Now to this add the soaked sabudana as needed. I've added almost 3/4 of the quantity. Add the black pepper, mango powder, salt and 2 tablespoons of buckwheat flour or barnyard millet flour. You can use any of them. Mix it very well. The flour gives the crunchiness and binding to this. You can also add roasted and crushed peanuts, which many people add but I avoid because we are going to serve these vadas with peanut chutney. So to avoid double dose of peanuts, I skip them. Mashing is done. Now take a small portion and make small vadas like this. You can make them round or you can make them oval shape, whatever you wish. You can also shape them up like rolls, kebabs. Now this is done. Sabudana vadas really taste so good, nice and crispy. Now time to fry them. Heat oil. First you drop one vada. Let it get fried a bit, then you add a couple of more. Never add too many vadas at the same time because the soaked sabudanas have the tendency of getting stuck to each other. They even get stuck to the ladle. So carefully fry 3 or 4 vadas at a time. And fry the vadas just before you serve them so that they are nice and crispy. Because when you keep them for a long time, they tend to become little soggy. I'm only putting 3 of them so that they don't get stuck to each other. With the help of tongs, you can keep flipping them and separating them. Fry them this way until they are nice and crispy. This is the most preferred snack during the fasting period. this is done. This way, remove them on an absorbent paper. As you remove one, you can add one more. Fry all the sabudana vadas in the same way. Look at them, lovely, so nice and crispy. Serve them immediately. I have served with Farali peanut chutney. You can check out the recipe. I have already posted this video some time back, and do check out the other fasting recipes as well. There are dosas, then there is buckwheat flour shira, aloo ka shira, barnyard millet khichdi with kuttu ki curry. So all these recipes you check out, and if you are fasting on all the days, you can make a variation, one dish every day and enjoy. Happy Navaratras! If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye until then. Have a nice day.